How to fix Scotiabank app not working. Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode on How to Tutorials. If you are experiencing issue with the Scotiabank app not working, there are several troubleshooting steps you can follow to try and resolve the problem. Here, I will show you some general steps you can take. Now, firstly, ensure you have a stable internet connection. The Scotiabank app requires a reliable internet connection to function correctly. Now, if your internet is stable, then head over to the next step. Now, make sure that you are using the latest version of the Scotiabank app. Now, to check if there's any update available, head over to the Play Store or App Store on your device. And there, search for Scotiabank. Now, if there's any update the app by tapping on update button and head back and check if the issue persists. But if this is not the case, then head over to the next step. Now, for the next step, you have to clear app cache and data. Now, to do so, tap and hold the Scotiabank mobile app and then tap App Info option from the pop-up box. And once you get into the App Info tab, you will be able to see Clear Data option at the bottom right of your screen. Now tap on that option and there tap on the second option, Clear Cache from the menu. And then tap on the OK button from the pop-up box. Now again tap on Clear Data option and then tap on the first option, Clear All Data from the menu. Now tap on OK button. Now head back to the home screen. Now tap and open up the app and check if this solution solves the problem. If in case this solution also didn't work, then try to close the Scotiabank app completely and then reopen it. Sometimes restarting the app can resolve minor glitches and issue. But if in case the solution also didn't work, then head over to the last solution, which is to completely remove your app from the device and reinstalling the app. Now to uninstall the app, tap and hold the app and then again tap on App Info option and then you will be landed to the App Info tab. Now from here you have to tap on uninstall at the bottom of your screen and there tap on OK button and your app will be completely removed from your device. Now you have to head over to the Play Store app on your device and there search for Scotiabank and then tap on install button to reinstall the app. Once your app gets reinstalled to your device, it will surely solve your problem. If it did, make sure to subscribe, share and give this video a like. Now that's gonna be all for this video and I will see you in the next one.